Hi there. So this is going to be my first tutorial. Kind of nervous. So I have already done my eyebrows, primed my face and my eyelid. I put a Shape Tape concealer on my eyelids so that my eyeshadow doesn't crease. So today I will be using this Aftershock palette. Look at these beautiful colors. Like, it's beautiful. This is supposed to be considered a dupe for Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. Well, for me, I don't own those palettes, so I don't know how pigmented those are. But these are intense. Like, look at this. I'm really popped up to see how it performs on the eyelid. So enough rambling about the palette. Let's start the tutorial. Okay, first I will be taking this pink eyeshadow that's called Sensation, and it will go on top of my crease. And I'm taking a crease fluffy brush, tap off the excess, you know the deal. Okay, so keep on blending. Blending. Yeah, that's the key. And remember, always start with less, because less is the key. Less is more. As you can see, it's really pigmented. Yeah. So I'll do the same on the other eye. Take this deep pink shade that's called Tingle, this one right here, and do the same. It will go on my crease and the same process. Yeah, I think I'm going to take a Precisely Dense brush. This one, this is MAC 217. It's a very popular brush for the crease. Yeah. Wow, I'm loving the colors. Just look at the intensity. Do you see? It's blending effortlessly. Like, it's just one touch I did. I didn't have to dip my brush twice. Impressed. Honestly, I owned another palette. Did I tell you what brand was it? It was Bad Habit palette from I got it from this app Shop Hush. They do they're known for a lot of like affordable palettes, and the quality is amazing. And the Bad Habit brand does a lot of like dupes for high-end palettes, and honestly, like, not everybody can afford the high-end priced palettes, so I think this is amazing. Seriously, I own the Epina palette from the same brand, Bad Habit, and that's supposed to be a dupe for Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. Honestly, love it. Seriously. For me personally, I don't own any of the Huda palettes. I don't know. I cannot justify myself spending $67 on a palette. Like, I can't. Then I can get the same performance from these palettes. Why would I spend the money on other palettes like that? But if you can, it's fine. I have never done a pink eye look before. This is my first time. So let's see how it turns out to be. So now I'm going to take a flat shaped brush, which I can't find. Are you serious? Oh, nope. God, does it happen to you guys? Like, it happens to me. When I'm looking for a particular brush, it's right in front of my eye, but I can't find it. So just now, here we go. This is the one. Okay, so I'm taking a flat shaped brush. Okay, then I'm going to take I think I'll take this blue color that's called Light Show. This one right here in the corner. Okay. So it's the other shades, the pink that I used, the dark and the light one, it was matte finish, but this one is a glimmer finish, I think. Yeah. It has a little glitter. It's not actually glitter, it's like a shimmer. So let's see. I take my brush. Let's see how pigmented is this shade. Okay, tap out the excess, the usual, and I'm gonna pop this on my eyelid. And I won't lie, this one is not as pigmented as the other shades was. I think I'll try a smaller flat brush. Let's see if this does the job, because you know sometimes the precise the brush is. Let's see. And of course I can't find it. Okay, I'll take this one instead. Okay, this is a Sonia Kashuk brush. You know what, got it. It's right here. Sorry, I know I need to be more organized. So I'm taking a smaller brush than the previous one I took. So I'll try this one and see. I won't lie, there's like fallout, but it could be done, it could happen by any other palettes. So for me, I always do my eye first, then I do my foundation and all that. It's just a habit, because I think like if there's a fallout, like if once the foundation is done, with the concealer and everything, it's hard to set, hard to clean up and all that. So once the base is done, it's hard. So I do my eye first, and then I do my face. Yeah. So yeah, love the color. Yep. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. You know what I'm thinking? How about I use it wet and see? Because now it's like, it's pigmented, I know. The more I put it on, it will be more like intense. But I'm gonna see how it works once the brush is, if I use it wet. Let's try that. For that, I'm gonna take a flat shade brush, and I'm gonna spray it with my Maybelline setting spray. Let's see how it performs. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Just look at it. Love it. Honestly, I'm impressed. Ready? I love this. I love this palette. Yep. I will be using this Wet n Wild eyeliner. Yeah. It has this felt tip, as you can see. Okay. So yeah. I was thinking of doing this, using this gel liner. It's an old one from Physicians Formula, and it has a blue glitter in it. So I think I might do this on my waterline. Let's see how it looks.